Hello fans, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My lovely fans, me Edoche don't dry you. Empty round. Chai. This one pass with you expect. Me Edoche really deal with you. To the extent you friends, they were crying for him. Hey, you friends, they look you, they cry. Hot tears, they come out for their eye. So tell you your friends can't say they reject the spirit of divorce from their home. Aye. They say they don't know say na so divorce be. People just they say I divorce my husband, I divorce my wife. Your friends say that is the worst decision will go ever happen in a marriage. Anyhow you want to fix your marriage, fix it. Oh. If your wife just hear say your wife they go towards divorce, oga, calm down. Remove your pride. Calm down quick. Make sure your home is at peace again. Don't allow it to happen. Because some men, they feel say now women, they suffer divorce. Hey. Some men, they are going through a lot. Going through a lot, which is called karma. Because now them mostly, they bring trouble come us. When the trouble does set now, you consider. They say the woman no good. Hey. Wonder shall never end. My lovely fans, your friends, they cry. They say your story don't teach them lesson. Chai! May God not let us be the scapegoat when our friends go tell them lesson. Can you imagine? They say you don't teach them lesson. Say they don't learn from your story. Say divorce is not for the weak. My lovely fans, say a lot is going on. Body don't pose, I'm a bingo. Body don't pose, and body don't weaken. The man no ever believe for a lifetime. You never believe. For all the life. Say a day like this will come. Where you go, where you go sit down for ground, you go dey cry. If friends go come out, they tell us say you don't do. You no ever believe. Now that situation, now you they go through right now. My lovely fans. According to wetin they talk us is when they go court last for the last divorce. You never go control their property and everything. Surprisingly, now you balance yourself. Say make him even go control things. Make him go see wetin dey happen. You enter bank. Now bank na if enter. As he enter bank, he say this account. Now they tell am say that account no dey exist again. They don't change the account. You don't transfer to Mayu Ledushe. That account don't cancel. He say okay, make it go the other one. He still go another one. You waka almost 4 bank. Me Edoche have deleted your name from everything relating to her. All the properties. They don't delete your name come out. They don't cancel your name. Your name not dey anything again. Nothing. According to what we heard, they say there are some that were not even taken to court. The reason me Edoche not take all this one to court, now she get her thing. Be that me Edoche and you na husband and wife. Now me Edoche say make she put your name. Nobody knows tomorrow. If something happen to her enemy, at least her husband will be there to use those things to cater for their children. So those were me Edoche male properties, which she added the name of Yo. So Yo, even during the quarrel, the gbasgbos, he found out that his names were still in those things. So Yo could say make him go check wetin dey happen, make him go control his things. Because all these things why they tell una so Yo they use that till they brag. In they use and they brag. In they tell the friends say now he get a jamashon, now he get the money for the account, now he get the property, the land, everything. You they tell friends say now he gets them. So even when this divorce was going on, me Edoche did not even say anything. When I tell her, say me Edoche, pray me you don't get problem with me Edoche. Avoid that. Avoid a trouble. Because people that are intelligent, educated like this, they are not going to use juju to deal with you. Why you they go they blow powder for her? She will go through She will go through the law legally to wipe that person off. As you dey, so me Edo she wipe you off. You know wipe her. Hi. They wipe her yo out. Me, I fell laugh because the time when they do Ezedike, it's Mary Joffo. It's Mary Joffo. That time we dey look there for corner. So now our turn to laugh. This is what they call who laugh last, laugh best. Now yo enter bank. For bank now yo go. His name is no longer there. They don't remove una oga name. Una ato. Una yo. Una Ezedike. Una Isiviri Jofo. His name is no longer there. For bank. Your name was not there. Now you run go meet their family lawyer. They have their own personal family lawyer that was handling their properties. You run to the man. They say you run go they call the man. Because the man is still Lagos. And so you run they call the man. What is happening? He went to the bank. And these are their family property. Now lawyer tell you say, are you still family? This is our family property. Oga, are you still a family? You are a father to our children. You are no longer family. Aye, that word hits hard. You are a father to our children. You are not family. That word hits hard. The same way the lawyer talk that word, because the phone they speaker, your friends shake their head. I say all those ones, they say they don't use you tell LSC. Now the lawyer tell you say, you don't know what you define call. You have anything here. The one way court, the one we get now na carry go court. Now court get right to decide that one. You see this one also way May Edochie change. Now she get her property. What is your business here? You were part of it when you were together as family. But for now, everybody don't walk away. You are no longer part of it. Now she get her. She decide on who to put and who not to put. They say the lawyer say, now Daniela name dey there now. Your name is no longer there. They don't remove your name. Now you say, okay, let's forget about that of the account. What about the land? What about this? What can they call their property? Now lawyer tell her, say, you no understand the owner. Are you the owner? The lawyer tell you, say they married you. That's why you have access to the property of the family. Now when you know they again, you are no longer part of the family. Okay, face your front. It was not even nice to you. If now you go nice. If now you be lawyer, you go nice. Abi you not don't forget what you do. You to do. Now only far away no get sense. Now body dey sweet am when he see where they roast bed. Forgetting that he might be the nest. Wonder shall never end. The lawyer tell you say you are no longer part of that family. You are no longer part of the property also. You have nothing here again. Waiting court give you now you go carry. All these ones, it's none of your business. You say just like that. The lawyer say, how they won't do one? Do they need to come and kneel down and beg you or what? But they compose you. They say you tell lawyer say 26 years of relationship wasted like that. Say lawyer tell you say na so me Edochie still waste our time like that. Me Edochie wasted her time with you. You would have just been sincere. The moment you know you have a future with Juju Okwensu, you should have told her. Both of you would have separated, divorced respectively. But you disgrace her publicly. If not, be say the woman strong. Do you know what you did to her? Now their family lawyer, now they talk so. The family lawyer tell you say, family not they exist again. After everything you did to that woman. So you be expecting property. You be expecting asset and land. You be expecting money. You say, he put the card. He say nothing they go again. The lawyer say your name no dey there again. My lovely fans, you say put card no go. Aye, ATM, they don't lock am o, they don't lock tap. E no dey rush, e no dey rush again, e no dey rush. They don't lock am, e no dey rush again. They say you almost faint. The kind tears wey Oga cry, his friends were forced to cry with him. The kind tears. Hungry day, oh, hungry day. The kind hungry wey won't beat you now. Very soon, this man go come lay. You know, money gives you joy. Even if people say money is not happiness. Sometimes money is happiness. You see, as you day, if you just remember, say, oh, in this account, there is 10 million. After all, my name is there. You go just drink water, belle go full, his skin go dey shine. That you don't have access to that 10 million again, that is quick RIP to the grave. They say if you see you, the man only. They say you, they cry. Lawyer tell us, say there is nothing. Nothing. Your name not there again, Oga. And so lawyer cut phone. No. Lawyer cut phone for you head. Now you using a lie. They are deceiving him. He no one believe. He bring out all the card. They shook them for inside there. No one they go. Desperado. Hey, Judy Austin. See where you end in your life. You go put card. Card go bounce out. You put the second one. It bounced out. You put the third one. It bounced out. You put the fourth one. It bounced out. Then he shout, hey, Mary. Mary, Mary. Ah, Mary, why? 26 years of relationship. Mary, why? Be wise. Be wise like me, Edochie. Why they are busy mocking you, fighting you? Why they are disgracing you? Try gather yourself. Try work hard on yourself. Make them to know who is the boss. Jijueko Isu, you don't know who be the boss now. You don't know who be the boss. Now so if they go before, go they put card, go they collect money. 4 card now they hand. 4 different bank now go. 4 different bank. Not be the ones where they carry go court. This one are the ones where they go the thief, you go just collect. No one, your name they again. Me Edochie don't wipe, delete, cancel. I'm a big name. Everything is cancelled, deleted, rejected. And that's what they think they tell her now. If you put card rejected, money where person don't work, it can sweet. You know, say Jijueko is so balanced for us. Because she is used to eating money where she not work for. She go know say money no easy to get. But look at her. She just sit down, balance, and be eating money. They don't lock tap. No, they rush again. You say, me Edochie, waiting do you. Waiting do you, even person enemy, they not go treat her like this. No, you not even tell her nothing. You just reach there, put card money, no come. This is pure wickedness. He said, me Edochie fair reduce the money when they go to use a day. He said, reduce her till he reduce her to almost change. Say not knowing that our plan was to totally take everything. The friends, they say me they pray for yo. The way they see yo today, they never see this smile like that before. They never see her. They say under 3 seconds, yo be like person who won't buy. The man was confused, asking himself, why? The whole account closed. Everything closed. Nothing for you. Yeah, Edochie, I raise bomb for you. Yes, I raise bomb for you. You correct, finish. You balance, nothing do you. Nothing do you, me Edochie, you balance. Now so, all these men, where they think that they can eat their cake and have it. Now so their life they end. Hey, one dash shall never end. Leave your comment in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.